Hi, how you doing, honey? Is this Subway?
Yes.
Hi, honey. May I speak to your manager, please?
My manager isn't in right now. She usually leaves around 4.
I'm sorry.
She's not here right now?
Okay, can you take a message, honey?
Yep. Can give me 1 second real quick, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, honey. Of course.
Um, 1866. Yes, ma'am. Sorry about that.
Hi, how you doing, honey? Can you please take a message for your manager? Can you
Yes,
write it
ma'am.
down on a piece of paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'd like to make a reservation for my kid's birthday to have it there at Subway.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to have. It's his birthday. It's April 20th, and I want to
April
have.
20th?
Yeah, he's gonna turn 10. I want to have his birthday.
Okay, April 20th. Let me see. Can I get your name, please?
I'm sorry.
Can I get your name?
Yes,
Ma'am?
yes.
Your name?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm hard of hearing, honey. My name is Mass. My first name is Mass.
Can you spell that for me?
Mas.
M-A-S?
Yes.
Okay.
And my last name
Uh-huh.
Turbator.
How do you spell that?
I believe it's Turbat.
B-R?
I'm sorry.
B-R?
No. Tur.
B-U-R?
No, T.
T?
T like in time.
T-U-R?
Like in time, T.
Uh-huh.
Um, Bator. Batoi.
T-U-R-B-A
Tor.
T-O-R?
Yes.
Okay. And your phone number?
I'm calling from a payphone right now, honey, but I mean, if you want my son number,
Yes.
it's 281
Okay.
442.
442?
Yeah,
Okay.
9700.
97?
9700.
Okay. Well, I'll make sure she gets it, and tomorrow between 8 in the morning and 4, she should be able to call you.
My honey, let me ask you a question.
Uh-huh.
How much is you guys gonna charge for my kid's birthday party for the clown and everything?
What do you mean?
Don't you guys hold birthday parties there, right?
No.
Honey,
I don't think we've ever thrown. Because, see, I wouldn't know. You'd have to talk to my manager about it, so.
so you don't have no estimation on how much the clown, the cake, the pinata?
This is Subway.
Yeah, Subway.
Yeah, we don't normally do that.
Now, honey, I did it last year here at my house, so I know y'all has to do it. You know what I'm saying?
Subway, the restaurant.
Yeah, I know that, honey. I've been around, honey. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
so
you want to throw, like,
yes, I want to throw my grandchild's 10th birthday right there in Subway, honey.
in the restaurant?
Yes, honey.
Okay, well, we don't supply, when we could supply the food. have to talk to my manager. I mean, it's not like we would buy everything.
Like a
Like,
piñata?
you'd have to go and buy the pinata and stuff. Like, I don't.
What about the birthday sex? Is that
The
included
what?
too? I'm
The
sorry?
what?
Huh?
What?
The birthday sex.